In this video, we listed the 5 best laptop stands on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UGREEN Laptop Stand. The UGREEN lifting laptop stand offers a sturdy and adjustable solution for users seeking stability and ergonomic comfort while working on their laptops or tablets. Constructed from full aluminum alloy material, the stand ensures a stable platform without any shaking, providing a secure surface for devices up to 17.3 inches and weighing up to 5 kilograms. The stand features a dual-axis design, allowing users to adjust both the height and angle to their preferred ergonomic position. With a desktop storage assistant for added convenience, users can easily store additional items when the stand is raised and fold it away when not in use. The stand's dual silicone protection ensures a stable and anti-slip base, while also preventing scratches on the device. The stand's ergonomic design aims to improve posture and alleviate back and neck stiffness during prolonged use. Additionally, the stand incorporates MacBook-like craftsmanship with a lightweight 3.5mm aluminum plate that resists deformation and corrosion, enhancing its durability. Overall, the UGREEN lifting laptop stand combines functional design with attention to detail to provide users with a versatile and reliable workspace accessory. Number 2. Foldable Laptop Stand. The Yasuko portable laptop stand offers a versatile and ergonomic solution for users looking to enhance their workspace comfort and efficiency. Constructed from aluminum alloy and silicone materials in a sleek silver design, the stand is compatible with laptops and tablets ranging from 10 to 16 inches in size. The stand features height adjustment capabilities, allowing users to customize their work setup for optimal office posture. Its hollowing-out heat design promotes enhanced air circulation to aid in cooling, preventing overheating during extended use. With a triangular support structure, the stand offers increased stability and load-bearing capacity, ensuring a secure platform for devices. The stand's portable and foldable design adds to its convenience, enabling easy opening and closing for on-the-go use. Overall, the Yasuko portable laptop stand combines functionality, stability, and portability to provide users with a practical and adaptable accessory for their laptops or tablets. Number 3. Oatsbasf Aluminum Laptop Stand. The Oatsbasf aluminum laptop stand is a sleek and modern accessory designed to enhance the usability and comfort of laptops. Crafted from metal with an aluminum construction, this stand offers a sturdy and durable platform for laptops of various sizes. The stand's minimalist design and high-quality material ensure reliable and stable support for users while working on their devices. With a package included for convenience, the Oatsbasf aluminum laptop stand is a practical and stylish choice for users seeking a reliable and versatile stand for their laptops. Made in mainland China and bearing the Oatsbasf brand name, this laptop stand combines functionality with a contemporary aesthetic, making it a valuable addition to any workspace. Number 4. LS652 Laptop Stand. The LS652 laptop stand is a foldable and portable accessory that provides a convenient solution for using laptops on the go. Its cooling bracket support helps prevent overheating and damage to the laptop, while its high-quality aluminum alloy material ensures durability and sturdiness. Compatible with both MacBooks and laptops, this stand offers versatility for users of different devices. The stand is available in silver and gray, and its compact design and lightweight nature make it easy to carry around. Overall, the LS652 laptop stand is a practical and reliable option for those in need of a portable and sturdy laptop stand. Number 5. Oatsbasf 360 Rotable Stand. The Oatsbasf laptop stand is a durable and reliable accessory designed to enhance the ergonomics and functionality of laptops. Constructed from aluminum alloy, this stand offers a stable and sturdy platform for laptops, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Bearing the Oatsbasf brand name and originating from mainland China, this stand is a high-quality and versatile solution for users seeking improved comfort and usability while working on their laptops. Its sleek design and durable material make it a practical and stylish addition to any workspace, providing users with a dependable support for their laptops. Whether for professional or personal use, the Oatsbasf laptop stand offers a valuable solution for optimizing the user's laptop experience.